see features or functions that are available in a beta state. Hi, Eric Harless, Head Backup Nerd with Enable, bringing you a 24.5 product update. In 24.5, we have rolled out into customer preview our beta panel. This beta panel is accessible by clicking the small animated beaker in the upper right-hand corner of the backup.management user interface. This will allow you to see features or functions that are available in a beta state and opt into those, as well as give you a location to provide feedback based on your experiences with those features. We're looking at the device properties panel enhancement in this release. This is going to allow you to get more detailed information on the different device properties, files processed, audit information, recovery session information, and statistics about your backup devices. Most importantly, the ability to be more granular and filter on that data, as well as the option to export out to CSV or Excel formats. In the 24.5 release, we also did a significant amount of work for preparing for our SOC 2 certification. That would include records cleanup and improved anonymization of records inside of Cove. You'll see further updates or enhancements to our continuity offering, specifically the GA of our one-time restore to ESXi. There's numerous other continuity enhancements to improve recovery success. We also introduced the full GA rollout of our AI-based or machine learning-based screenshot verification feature. This is going to now be available across recovery to Azure, VMware, and Hyper-V. This release is going to wrap up with several cloud-to-cloud based M365 bug fixes and enhancements to improve user success.